Today I'm going to share one of the most important things you need to know. How to tell if your hair is truly virgin hair. Trust me, you do not want to make this mistake to think you're buying virgin hair when it's not. It can cost you a lot of money, your time, and most importantly, your business reputation, which will be so difficult for you to build back up. I've been in the hair industry for over 22 years, and I've got some secrets that will save you from all that stress. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to identify real virgin hair and avoid any tricks or scams that might come your way. Now, first things first, what exactly is virgin hair? So grab your tea, sit down, and let's get into it. You have probably heard that term thrown around so many times, but let's break it down so there's no confusion. Virgin hair is hair that has never been chemically processed. No dye, no bleach, and no perm. It's straight from the donor's head, just like God made it. And because it's so pure, it could be colored, it could be styled and treated just like your own natural hair. Okay, this one is not natural, but you know what I mean. When you buy virgin hair, you are getting the highest quality available, and that's why it costs more. But it's worth it because it's long lasting, it's versatile, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So how do you make sure the hair you're getting is truly virgin hair and not some low quality processed hair that's being sold at a high price? There is one simple question you can ask your vendor. Are you ready for it? When you ask this question, they always tell you the truth. For if not, you can hold them liable for the outcome. In my 22 years of being in the hair industry, this question has never failed and has saved me thousands of pounds. Do you want to know what that question is? Please like and subscribe after I tell you what it is. This will encourage me to keep giving you all my secrets in the wig industry. Are you ready? The question is, can this hair be bleached to 613 blonde? Why 613? Because 613 is a super bright blonde color, and only true virgin hair can be bleached to that shade. If your vendor says yes, then you are dealing with real virgin hair. If they hesitate or say no, wealth queen, that's you, run, for it's not virgin hair and it's not worth it. If the hair can't be colored or bleached to that light shade, it means it's been chemically processed already. And what's processed? It means it's been altered and is no longer virgin. You don't want that for your business if you're promising your customers quality. When you stand by the quality of your products, your customers will trust you. They will come back to you time and time again and refer others to you. And that's how you build wealth, God's way, through trust and service. You are capable of doing this, my wealth queen. You've got this. So, rise in faith, reign in wealth. This is your destiny. Say amen.